Got a girl here watching the time and all time. Hey, Stacy. Oh, hi, here you go.
Hey, it's an old wives' story. It's an old wives' tale.
I am a god of the king.
His glory. Tell your love's so frail. Love and needs a bandage. Intensive
How about you?
care. And it's a disadvantage when you play unfair.
Help me too. That's right. How about you writing? Yes. Fine. I'm so happy I got him.
Woman's labor is never ever done.
I knew it! You were always inflating up with a little exploded of Stacy. You're feel proud of you. That's right, Mr. Winky. I'll be just fine. Okay, that's it, folks.
Father, tell your son.
Six, seven. That's all, folks.